Mahilig ka ba sa LED show? Pwes, punta tayo sa Inspire Casino Resort. This hotel is located in Incheon City. Kapareho lang siya ng island na kung saan matatagpuan ng airport. Lalampasan mo lang ang airport, Terminal 2, and then makikita mo na yung Inspire Hotel. Sa lobby pa lang, very grandiose na yung hotel na to. Hindi ka dapat ma-intimidate kahit hindi ka magstay. Kasi this hotel is also an entertainment resort. Maraming pwedeng gawin dito. Pero kung ang purpose mo ng pagpunta dito ay manood ng LED show, ang unang hahanapin mo mula sa lobby ay ang mga pagong na to. By the way, kung may car ka, no worries, malaki ang parking lot dito at mura lang ang bayad. At kung gumamit ka ng facility at gumastos ka ng more than 30,000 won, pwede kang magkaroon ng free parking for 2 hours. From the turtles, dire-diretsin nyo lang yan hanggang makita nyo yung sign ng arena. Everywhere is a photo zone, so basta may makita kayo magandang spot na magpa-picture or mag-video, go ahead. Alam niyo ba na may casino dito at ang pwede lang maglaro ay mga foreigners, hindi allowed ang mga Koreans. Pero kung magtutour, of course everybody is welcome, Koreans and foreigners alike. Bago pa lang nag-open yung hotel na to. So kung makikita mo, it's plain on the outside but it's incredible inside. Mohegan Inspire Entertainment Resort's first partial opening was on November 30, 2023. Matapos ang mahaba-habang lakaran sa mga hallway, ito yung makikita nyo sa end. Magandang photo zone dito. Actually, pag hindi ka sinwerte, mahaba ang pila bago ka makakuha ng magandang shot dito. Isa to sa mga favorite ng mga visitors dito para magpa-picture. From here, aakyat na tayo sa escalator. There are 3 hotspots here, the arena, Aurora, and Rotonda. Pag-akyat, makikita agad yung arena sa Rotonda. Concerts are held in the arena. Di na kami pumasok doon. Dito lang kami sa may Rotonda. May LED display din dito, but very simple. And we still enjoyed it. Tara, punta na tayo dun sa main event. Yun ang dahilan kaya tayo pumunta dito. Punta na tayo sa Aurora. In case pagdating nyo, na-miss nyo yung show, nothing to worry. Kasi every 30 minutes, merong LED show hanggang alas 12 ng gabi. Kaya gabi kami pumunta kasi mas madaling mag-park saka mas magandang makakuha ng pictures and videos kasi kakuanti na yung tao kaysa sa araw ka pupunta. As I've said, maraming pwedeng gawin dito. So, in case ma-miss mo yung show at naghihintay ka ng next show, pwede ka pa rin lumibot-libot or mag-picture-picture habang naghihintay. In case you're wondering, this is all for free. Walang entrance fee. Ang babayaran nyo lang is parking or pagkain nyo. And once na kumain kayo dito sa facility or gumamit kayo ng, mga ibang facilities nila, libre na yung parking ninyo. So, para kayong walang ginastos. Saan ka na, di ba? Wala ako sa'yo. Tumagal kami magstay doon sa may Aurora, pero after that, naglibot-libot pa rin kami. And then tinry naming umakyat, bumaba, ganyan, para lang ma-explore namin itong Inspire Hotel. Anyway, libre naman, di ba? Hindi na nga kami mapag-check-in kasi wala naman kaming ganong kamahal na pera. So, maglibot-libot na lang. I think the concept of this room is dandelions. Well, this is a casino too, so naturally there'll be a lot of boutiques, shops, and many restaurants, mostly expensive. So if you have, like enough budget, then you can try one of those. And there are a lot of bars too if you want to have drinks. By the way, ang hotel na to, meron ding swimming pool kasi meron silang water park. So, you have to pay for this one para makapasok kayo. Hindi siya libre. And also, meron silang spa. This is also not free. I think the only free thing here is sightseeing, just going around to every corner like this one. And also yung pinunta natin kanina, yung Aurora, saka yung Rotonda. So, if you want to really swim and, get a spa, then you have to pay extra. And of course, if you want to check in, that will be way, way more expensive. Ito yung nagustuhan ko sa lugar na to. I think ito yung trip ko. Oh, I forgot to mention, there are a lot of coffee shops here too. Beautiful and extravagant in designs. Siyempre, hindi kompleto kung wala kang picture or video na may pangalan ng hotel. It's almost 12, but nakita namin bigla tong bagong-bagong bowling alley. So, almost everybody haven't tried bowling in Korea, so we gave it a try. We did 2 games. I think it was about an hour. Meron din silang mga drinks dito and alcohols. Outside the hotel, near the parking lot, meron ding photo zone dito na kung saan andun din yung big name ng hotel. Well, we had a great time, so what are you waiting for? Come and visit this new hotel too and enjoy some LED shows and much, much more. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you next time.